Hi friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will be understanding supply chain management and under that roles and responsibilities. Under subheadings, we will be understanding education criteria, role definitions, and then clarity on responsibilities, how it can be done. From education criteria point of view, the various levels of organization like top management, middle management, supervisors, and blue collar jobs. All these things, there should be a preset education criteria. Like it can be something like top college, MBA college, they can be recruited, and it can be the next particular category where here it can be a BBM in supply chain management, and here it can be a normal any kind of degree. So once all these things are set, then the recruitment process happens and there can be an effective team members in the supply chain management. Then we need to understand the role definitions. So which department, which person, what role he will be occupying, like material planner role, logistics role, or quality role, purchase role, and so on. All these things to be set in a very clear way. So like these role definitions, it comes for purchasing, quality, production, and there can be various other cross-functional departments which are relevant for our supply chains where we are handling. So clarity on responsibilities, how it can be done is through RASI, where there will be responsible identified, approval, support, and also the information. In responsible, we will be understanding that this particular person will be someone who is a go-getter. He will be the complete owner of that particular task, and then he will be coordinating with all other different departments to get this particular task done. So approval is that kind of a person who is normally an accountable person of the responsible person. So he is the leadership role, he will be a mentor, and he will be a guide. So this person constantly guides the responsible person to accomplish the task. Then we need to understand the support people. These are all the people who will be helping the responsible person to get the things done. Like he will be assisting, these people will be supporting for a crucial role, and then prior agreement with these people also needs to be done because they may be occupied with other parallel projects that are running. There has to be constant follow-up also by the responsible person with respect to these people because they will be having multiple roles of responsibilities. And finally, we need to have certain definition for the information where these particular people straight away they will be not adding too much of value, but as and when the case comes, they may add significant value. So they need to be aware of that and they can be used as an escalation support. We can take all these things as an example. Consider that there is a production department and the production person is responsible. In that case, a quality person can play as a support role and information can be given for a responsibility something like finance, where the approval person will be a responsible like a production manager. So all these things put together defines the roles and responsibilities of the supply chain management. So that's it in this video. Thank you.
Tutorialspoint.com. Simply easy learning.